Drowning in code and wishing you had a coding copilot? Let's install the GitHub Copilut plugin inside of IntelliJ. Head over to File, then Settings, and click on Plugins. Search for GitHub Copilot in the marketplace. Once you find it, click the Install button. After installation, you'll likely need to restart IntelliJ IDEA for the changes to take effect. After restarting, IntelliJ will prompt you to log into your GitHub account. Click Sign into GitHub and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Copilot. Now, open a code file. As you start typing, Copilot will begin suggesting code completions in gray text. Press the Tab key to accept Copilot's suggestion and watch it magically complete your code. For more advanced assistance, highlight a block of code. Copilot can suggest alternative implementations and improvements. Press Enter to open the Copilot panel and view these suggestions. With GitHub Copilot integrated into IntelliJ, you'll code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors, making your coding experience a breeze.